Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Many people today, they're looking for peace, and yet it feels so hard to find. And when they have it, they lose it so easily. Why? You see, our life are easily distracted by problems, by fears, by choosing what to think, and sometimes by what other people says. But God did not design us to be stressed and shaken. He wanted us to live our life connected to Him. As it says in Philippians 4 verse 7, "And the peace of God which passes all understanding will guard your heart and mind in Christ Jesus." You see, your peace does not depend on everything is going right according to plan, but it only depends on one thing: stay close to Him. Remember this: whatever you feed your mind, it grows. If you focus on problem, it grows bigger. But when you focus on Christ, He grows bigger than your problem. Isaiah 26:3, it says, "You will keep perfect peace those whose mind stays with Him." Peace comes from choosing what to think. So if you think you're not in control of your situation right now, give it to God. He is in control. As He says, "Cast all your cares in me." So when you surrender it to Jesus, He will take care of that, and God's peace will come into your life. Hope this helps. Thank you for listening. To God be the glory.